Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director.
And Myiesha, also Beauty Director.
And this video is all about dry and damaged hair.
I feel like you're reading me.
Yeah, no way! We've all been there for sure.
Yeah, I definitely lived a life of dry and damaged hair for so long. And these are things I wish I would have known when I was struggling with my hair or I didn't know how to take care of my hair. We're going to talk about some like really great things to just like easily incorporate into your hair routine that will just boost the hydration levels, prevent damage, and just give you shinier, healthier hair.
I just moved into a new apartment and the new shower is fabu.
I have a rain and a handle.
Ooh,
fancy.
This is from Myiesha, and this is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Now, I've talked about this so many times.
I've never talked about that mask before.
Right? I know. Oh my God. She has jokes. She'll be here all week. Now, this is really great. So this one's infused with rosehip oil, which is a really great softener. So it really kind of allows the hair to be a little bit more elastic when you're like conditioning the hair. So I love it in the shower because I can really detangle my curls with it and it feels really smooth. And then that oil sort of melts down and hydrates the hair and leaves you with a beautiful shine.
Yeah, I found myself doing all these like crazy methods to detangle my hair, assuming that my hair was difficult to detangle. But when I put that in, I just use my fingers to detangle. I think it takes me like 5 minutes to detangle my hair. Probably like less than that actually. So putting this in your hair, like that's my whole bathroom. I'm so familiar with that.
Yeah, you're like, no smell on that one. She was like,
I have smelled that so many times. I find that like if you feel like your hair is hard to detangle, put that in your hair and just use your hands to like rake through. And you can just like all the knots will just like come right out.
And this formula is also really great for kind of twisting your curls too and like sectioning them. And then what you like to say is like shingling them, right? And sort of laying them on top of each other.
Clumping your curls together.
This is a really good one. Now, I love to do this when my hair feels really dry. Like you said, I do it as a treatment like once a week, so I'll do it on a Sunday. I love to do my hair mask, and oftentimes, like you said, I'll put in my hair in a shower cap, and I actually do the blow dryer method because I kind of like drown out everybody else and just blow dry my hair for a minute and read a book or check out a magazine.
I have a lot of
something.
options.
Get my arm work in. I
don't want the arm workout, so I don't do the blow dryer method as much. I have a heated cap I put in the microwave. I have a hooded dryer. Like any way I can like add the heat on and still like read a book. That's what I'm into.
Yeah, and I think that's definitely a big kind of synonymous thing with doing a hair mask is it's definitely a self-care moment. So take your time, like really chill, put on your hair mask because you're going to be there for about 20 or 30 minutes for most of them anyway. So definitely luxuriate.
So our next deep conditioning mask is from Moroccan Oil. So Moroccan Oil, you know there's going to be argan oil in a Moroccan Oil product. That's sort of their staple hero ingredients. We know that's very moisturizing for the skin and hair. It also has glycerin in it, and glycerin is a humectant. You might hear that word sometimes when we're talking about things that are sweet like honey or sugar. Kind of like when you put your brown sugar in the cabinet and it starts to clump together and kind of like takes all the moisture from the environment. Glycerin does that same thing as a humectant. So it's really great for putting moisture in the hair and keeping it in the hair. It also has linseed oil in it, which I didn't realize linseed oil and flaxseed oil are the same thing. So when you see those two together, depending on which one the brand chooses to use, the same thing. Really great hydrating for the hair. I do find it's very buttery, like the Myiesha one.
For sure.
This is one I discovered kind of recently. I was using
like
the oil before.
full-bodied, right?
Yeah.
And,
Yeah.
and truly like...
I was like, please work.
How is it really when you go to go get your ice cream, like your ice cream shake or whatever, and they turn upside down?
Yeah,
I love that.
It's really, you can like, again, if it seems like it make you gain weight, if it reminds you of dessert, like it's probably amazing for your hair. You can see the butters in it. It's really nice and thick. Yeah. And even putting it on your skin, you can see this like sheen and moisture.
Truly, I think that texture comes from the argan oil. That's what I love about argan oil is that it is like a little bit fuller bodied of an oil to me in texture. So I use it when I know that my skin needs a lot of nourishing, a lot of hydration, because we know that argan is rich in vitamin E, which is also like that nourishing vitamin that we all love.
It's like when you rinse it off your hair, when it goes on your body, it's like doing double work.
Yeah. This is the shower secrets video, okay? Shower secrets, all right? So next up, we have a really fun, newer brand to Sephora from Virtue Labs, and this is called the Restorative Treatment Mask. So this is infused with creamy coconut and tropical yuzu, so you have like a really beautiful scent. And then there's also amaranthus in there, which is a really nice like flower extract.
That's a product video right there, because I smell the coconut, but I don't know what yuzu smells like, and I don't know what amaranthus seed smells like on its own, so maybe we bring in some ingredients one day and just
this
like
is definitely
smell
one
them.
that I'm wanting to try.
Great.
I haven't actually gotten to play with this one, so I'm really curious to give it a go, but it sounds amazing.
And it looks nice and thick. It almost looks like a pomade, like a really emollient pomade.
And this one's really great for restoring damage in as little as 3 minutes. So it's a very quick, almost flash mask in the shower. Again, this is definitely the hashtag shower secrets video. So like, if you have any hidden shower knowledge, drop that in the comments below, because I want to know. Please let me know.
So we talked about a few deep conditioners, which I feel like is sort of the secret to keeping your hair really healthy. I can definitely feel the difference when I skip a deep conditioner just because of time restraints and whatnot. But there are other things you can do to your hair to keep it from getting damaged, to keep the hydration in it, and that's an oil. I kind of stopped using oil for a while because I hadn't found one that was like really lightweight, because I want my hair to be as big as possible, so I don't want to weigh it down. But one, we had a little chat with the Olaplex team, and they kind of went over everything with us. And this one right here, so this is the number 7 bonding oil. Olaplex goes by numbers as far as their products go. So 1 and 2 is a professional treatment you get done in a salon. 3 is that like top seller, took over our stores a few years ago. The cream that you use like every time you wash your hair, and they have a shampoo. Viral, like amazing.
That's the word.
I remember I didn't even know anything about it, and I bought it, and I like, every single person I know uses this. I have to use it too. They have a shampoo, conditioner, and another cream, and then this is the number 7 bonding oil. So this is really great because it's a grapeseed oil. It also has a bit of green tea, like fermented green tea. I feel like anything fermented is more potent. I kind of think
for sure. That's definitely
I get those
a
like
fun fact to keep in mind. Like
kind of like wine gets better with age. Certain things that are fermented get better with age, and it actually has heat protection in it. So I diffuse my hair. I don't really use a lot of direct heat on my hair, so I put this on. I put it on after my leave-in conditioner and before my hair gel. And it's really cool too if you find that you have finer hair and you are heavy-handed. What you do is you just hold it upside down, nothing will come out, but if you tap it, 1 drop will come out. So you can dose yourself. So I usually have my hair in quadrants, and I'll put maybe 4 drops in each side, so I know that I'm like evenly distributing the oil. It's this really great sort of lightweight oil, and I don't know how they do the voodoo.
It like disappears. And it bonds and holds the hair. So
long story short, you can go down a rabbit hole researching Olaplex, but it helps to rebuild the bonds in your hair.
It's
Every
crazy.
time I get a haircut, I get the 1 and 2 treatment done, and I use my Olaplex products at home for maintenance. But it's also clean at Sephora. So like, what is in it? I don't get magic
oil, essentially.
I don't get it.
Truly magic oil. You have to try it. And I don't mean magic in like the funny sense of the word. Like the reviews are there. Like don't get it twisted. Like it's not just like it really does produce results. And clients time after time come in looking for it. And again, we can't keep it in stock.
Yeah, I would say if you're someone also that straightens their hair quite a bit, this is actually probably gonna work even better for you. I'm pretty kind to my hair, I would say. So I feel like sometimes using Olaplex, I'm like, it's like insurance for me. Like I want my hair to stay, like I live a lifestyle of being paranoid about my hair getting damaged. So this is great to add in. You can kind of scrunch it in your hair if your hair's already dry, but I put it in my hair completely wet with my products in.
Yeah, it's nice for me for just a little bit of shine, like if I want something on a little shine on a Sunday, I'm here for it.
It's good stuff. I also do my hair on a Sunday. So that's it. I feel like we're always here to kind of like help you with some dry, damaged hair, because that was our past lives. I feel like we're in a very healthy place nowadays.
Maybe heroines, some might say. Your hair heroines.
Your hair hero.
Hair heroes, heroines.
So if you have any questions about what we talked about today, or about just kind of keeping your hair healthy in general, we do have a curly hair video we did a few months ago. That's super helpful. This is more of like really targeting that damage, kind of taking control of your hair and making sure it stays healthy or it's on the road to health.
So as always, subscribe to the channel so you can hang out and see more videos and fun content like this. Until next time, ciao for now.
Bye.